Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Wagi ang San Miguel Bearmen kontra sa Blackwater Bossing 115-102. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Jonmar Fajardo sa likod ng kanyang 27 points, 22 rebounds, 6 assists at 1 block. Para naman sa Blackwater Bossing, top performer si Cedric Berfeld sa likod ng kanyang 17 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 steal. Nag-ambag naman si Troliano ng 11 points, 11 rebounds at 1 assist. Lassiter 5 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist at 1 steal. Chris Ross 4 points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal at 1 block. Torin Jones 29 points, 14 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 block. Jonmar Fajardo 27 points, 22 rebounds, 6 assists at 1 block. Nagtala naman si Seje Perez ng 15 points, 6 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Jericho Cruz 14 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists. Andreas Cahilig 8 points, 1 rebound, 2 assists at 1 block. Cres Rosales 2 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist, 1 steal. Tautoa 1 rebound, 1 steal. Simon Inceso 1 rebound, 1 assist. Rodney Brondial 0 point. Para naman sa natalong Blackwater Bossing, humakot si George King ng 40 points, 6 rebounds, 4 assists at 2 steals. Christian David 10 points, 8 rebounds, 1 steal. Jewel Fontirada 6 points, 1 rebound, 2 assists. Joseph Casio 2 points, 1 steal. Cedric Berfeld 17 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 steal. Nag-ambag naman si Arky Ilaga ng 9 points, 2 rebounds, 7 assists at 1 steal. Justin Choa 6 points, 3 rebounds at 2 assists. Ray Suerte 5 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist. James Quicote 5 points, 1 rebound at 2 steals. Bradwin Ginto 4 points, 2 rebounds. Escoto 0 point, Tyros Hell 0 point. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Pinataob naman ng Eastern Hong Kong ang Barangay Ginebra 93-90. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Hayden Blankley sa likod ng kanyang 25 points, 5 rebounds at 4 assists. Para naman sa Barangay Ginebra, top performer si Justin Brownlee sa likod ng kanyang 18 points, 12 rebounds at 2 blocks. Nag-ambag naman si Mac Laughlin ng 20 points, 21 rebounds, 6 assists at 2 blocks. Chow 14 points, Glenn Yang 11 points at 5 assists. Lam 8 points. Nag-ambag din si Chan ng 6 points, Genchard 5 points, Long 3 points, Shaw 1 point. Para naman sa natalong Barangay Ginebra, Japit Aguilar 26 points, 8 rebounds, 3 steals at 2 blocks. Justin Brownlee 18 points, 12 rebounds, 2 blocks. Holt 14 points, 5 rebounds. Troy Rosario 12 points. Scotty Thompson 8 points. Abarientos 12 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of December 15, 2024. Northport Batangper 5 wins, 0 loss. Eastern Hong Kong 5 wins, 1 loss. Meralco Bolts 3 wins, 1 loss. Enlix Road Warriors 3 wins, 2 losses. San Miguel Bearmen 3 wins, 2 losses. Barangay Ginebra 2 wins, 1 loss. Rain or Shine Elasto Pinters 2 wins, 1 loss. Converge Fiber Xers 2 wins, 2 losses. TNT Tropang Giga 1 win, 2 losses. Magnolia Hotshots 1 win, 3 losses. Blackwater Bossing 1 win, 4 losses. Phoenix Fuel Masters 0 win, 4 losses. Tira Firma Jeep 0 win, 5 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong December 17, 2024 nagaganapin sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Sa first game, maghaharap ang Converge Fiber Xers at Enlix Road Warriors alas 5 ng hapon. At sa main game, maglalaban ng Phoenix Fuel Masters at Northport Batangper alas 7:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.